Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about how to use spreadsheets in art. And I know that's something that you probably wouldn't think the top of your mind. However, here I've got an example in a worksheet that I've created that you can copy actually to your own Google Drive. You go to File and make a copy. You can save that to your own Google Drive. But here I've got a tutorial on how to basically take clip art. And all I did was I went to Insert and I go to Image, and then I looked out on the web. I just did a Google search for dog clip art, and I came up with this cute, adorable puppy here. And then when I put that in here, I resized all of my cells and my rows and columns to a certain size, and I think it was 10 pixels in size. In order to do that, I did a macro, and if you get very gregarious here, if you don't copy my example, you go to Tools, Macros, and you can record your own macro, and I'll create another video tutorial on how to create your own macro. But in that, I created a grid, and this grid macro, basically, when I click on this, it makes all of these cells the same uniform size. So with that said, all I did then is you can overlay your animal here and try to see if you can match this up. If anything, kids, you can tell your students to try to freeform this if you want to, but all you're using is the paint bucket fill tool. And with that said, it's kind of fun to do. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment down below. As always, please like this video, and if you would, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Please have a good rest of the day, and thanks for tuning in. Take care.